Now you're welcome back. In this video, I want to show you how you can create a social share instruction, or yes, now to encourage people to share your content. It might be your sales page you want people to share. It might be your lead you want to share, and it might be entire. You just want them. It might be a blogger. You want this to appear on all your website so that someone can share the content of your, or share your link and all those things. So, or maybe it's a sales page you want them to share it. Something you want to share. It's a lecture you want to share. So you can target and program this to happen. So you click create notification, you go back to list of our notification and look for social share. You see something, all this you want it to all this one. Let's click create. Now this is it. So you can just put your content, say share. Share. So you can put your content here. You want them to just share. So then you put the URL that you want them to share. You put it here. So you type the full URL you want them to share. Then you do the sales trigger and all those things. Let me see. Let me bring the URL here. I want them to share this, right? So that I can use it for example. So I put the URL here. Appreciate share. So just put your content here, then where you can disable any of this. You don't want them to share on LinkedIn. So we have LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook available right now. I think more of these will come up later. Then update it. So once you get to this site, someone can always share. So customize, if you want to customize display, all those things. Don't forget, I'll do that. So don't forget to always activate it after you're done, otherwise it will not show on your website. So let me see if I can quickly customize this. Let it look tush before I go. I want it to display when the person is scrolling, that's when you should see this all the time. You see all the time per session, so that I don't disturb them with share all the time. Then display bottom left, let it be at the center. Yeah, triggers. Yeah. Let me see. Okay, we got to customize this title colors. Let me see something unique I can get here. No, something like that. Okay. So description color, you can just leave that. Let's say I want that to be blue. So just do it the way it's okay with you, so that I can blend. Background patterns, you can use bubbles. Let me see how it look like. Yes, or any of these other background. Jupiter, see how it look like. I don't like that. Shapes, no, I don't like that. Let me use bubble. I think this is okay. So I can go here, my border, I want it to look tush. I want it to blend with the side where it's going to be showing. So then display, let it display for a while, let them see it before, if they like they can close it. So I click update, then okay, it's active. So let's see how this appear on the site. I want to see this how. So I want to make this each of this video to show. Now I put this scrolling, you see. So you want to put this on your side. Let's say you want to share it on Facebook or something. I click. So it's going to take the URL and try to change, take the URL and want to help me share it, or you let person share it on their Facebook page or Twitter handles or wherever. So so that's just it. That's just it. While it's loading, so it's gonna share it. Now we're gonna do that. Let's go for